Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the moisture sensor in your dryer. The reason why you would have to do this is because your dryer runs non-stop when you put it on the setting to dry at a certain dryness level. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dryer we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire. Keep in mind, you might have one that's not quite exactly the same as this, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to open up the door here. So right here is our moisture sensor, and to get it out, we just need to use a Phillips head screwdriver and remove that screw there. And once the screw comes out, you're going to gently pull the sensor out, and we still have a couple of wires attached to it. So when we pull it out, we're going to turn it, and you'll see two wires there. And we're going to unplug the wires here. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement moisture sensor. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we'll plug the wires into our new moisture sensor. There we go. And now that we've got the wires plugged in, we're going to line up the moisture sensor, and we're going to put this tab right here and feed that into the slot. And then we're going to line up the screw hole on the other side. And once we've done that, we can screw it back in. And once you've got that screwed back into place, you can close your door and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.